This is test 2 review, problems 45 and 46, where we're dividing mixed fractions. So we follow the same rules, or similar to multiplication, and that's you change the mixed numbers to improper fractions and then divide. So we go through what we did before. In order to change a mixed number to an improper fraction, you multiply the denominator times the whole number plus the numerator. And I'm going to do this problem horizontally. So 7 times 3 plus 1 back over the denominator. And I'm going to keep that division sign for now because we're not going to change it. And we'll take 7 times 2 plus the 5, 7 times the whole number plus the numerator. 7 times 2 plus 5. So we're changing right now, I'm just changing the mixed numbers to improper fractions. So we have new fractions. 7 times 3 is 21 plus 1 is 22. We have 22 sevenths. We're still dividing. I haven't changed anything to multiplication yet. 7 times 2 is 14 plus 5 is 19. And we still put it over that 7. So we keep our denominators. And now we follow the rules for division, which is changing it to a multiplication and multiplying by the reciprocal of the divisor. So we have to indicate our divisor. And let's rewrite the problem. I'm going to go below it. So we're going to rewrite it as 22 sevenths, now changing it to multiplication and doing the reciprocal of the divisor as 7/19. And it becomes a multiplication problem. So we're going to have a clumsy answer. 22 times 7 is 7 times 2 is 14, carry your 1. 7 times 2 is, now let's make that a time sign. 7 times 2 is 14, that's plus the 1, so that's 15. We have an answer of 154 divided by 2 times 19, which is 9 times 2 is 8, carry your 1, 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3, 38. So these are both even numbers. We know that it can be reduced. It's also an improper fraction, so let's change it to a mixed number, because we need to put our numbers back into whole or mixed numbers according to the instructions. So what we do is we divide 38, because remember this is the dividend up here, that's the divisor. 38, the divisor, into the dividend. So let's try 38 times 3, which I'm just going to work that out over here to save time. 8 times 3 is 24. 3 times 3 is 9. 10, 11, I come up with a 114. So let's go 4 times 38, which should be 152. And if you didn't know what I did over there, I'll just show you. 38 times 4 equals 152. 8 times 4 is 32. Carry your 3. 4 times 3 is 12. 13, 14, 15. 152. Okay, so 4 times 38 is 152. 4 minus 2 is 2. 4 and 2 38ths. Well, 2 38ths can be reduced because they're both even numbers. And it's real simple because 38 is just, it's like cutting 38 in half. So, what we have so far, this improper number has turned into this mixed number. This improper fraction has turned into this mixed number. 4/238. And now I need to reduce this fraction because 2 is even and 38 is even. So 2 into 2 is 1. 2 into 38, isn't that 19? Did we do that? Yes, we did. 2 into 38 is 19. So we end up with 4 and 1/19 as our final answer. 4 and 1/19 is the answer to number 45. So we had to change the mixed numbers to improper fractions, and that's what we did here. Changed our mixed numbers using that process, gave us our improper fractions, and then we had to follow directions for division, which is multiply by the reciprocal. And then we ended up with an answer that was an improper fraction, which needs to be written into a mixed number. So we divided 38 into 154, and we came up with the mixed number of 4 and 2/38, which we had to reduce the fraction of 2/38 into 1/19. So the answer is 4 and 1/19.